here's the tread on them. They have less than 200 miles on them, and they're still pretty loud. They always say they get louder as they get older, but they're pretty loud right from the start. And for anybody that's curious about my suspension setup, I'm pretty much running a 6-inch in the front and stock in the back, depending on how you look at it, but it's about from the ground to the top of the wheel well in the front is about 44 inches. That gives me about 9 inches from the top of the tire to the top of the wheel well here. And then in the back with the 35s, I've only got about 3 to 4 inches between the tire and the wheel well. They're definitely great tires. They do well off-road. They held up okay for what they are if you keep them rotated and you don't you know, floor it everywhere, accelerate off the line and slam on the brakes. That definitely will kill these things. But yeah, just take care of them, and they're great tires. I think they sound pretty awesome, but for some people that aren't crazy about having that hum going down the highway all the time, you may want to reconsider these, because even when they're brand new, they're still pretty loud, and they only get louder. Thank you for watching.